Wild-N-Wacky. That's what it is. 7-shot, 500-gram cake. It's got some meat to it. Actually, I don't even know if it says 500 grams on it anywhere, but I refuse to believe that this is a 200-gram cake. So we'll call it a light 500, a big 350. And let's call it some noise in the sky, shall we? Get this baby set up. Let me go get myself situated here. And let's see how just wild and wacky this cake really is. Is it wild and wacky? We're about to find out. Hit it! Let's see just how wild and wacky this little cake here is, shall we? Oh. Well, there it is. Was it wild and wacky? I don't know. You tell me in that comment section down below. Like it, share it, subscribe. Peace out, Pyros.